Want to turn your artwork into a looping motion poster? In this Firefly Boards and Canva motion poster tutorial, I'll show you how to create this animated sketch effect in Firefly and then create a motion poster in Canva. Perfect for social. In Firefly Boards, import your image. A logo, product, or photo works great. Under Presets, select Loose Sketch and sample your image with the eyedropper. Select View Prompt, switch the AI model to Firefly 5. It generates a better sketch. Don't forget to do the eyedropper before you change the model because the prompt will already be there. So you can see I'm doing a lot of these for our motion poster. So here's my process. You import an image, make it grayscale, then change the tone, finally do a sketch, and then convert your image to video. But before you convert your image to video, you're going to need 2 frames, a blank background and your sketch image. For the video prompt, you want to use image of a man being sketched onto a page. Next, open Canva and create a new Instagram Reel document. Upload your sketch frames and place one on the timeline, and use Canva's built-in video reverser app to make the sketch appear to draw on and then erase off, creating a perfect loop. Add your title or tagline, choose a simple text animation, and layer it over your sketch. And here's my final poster. Export as an MP4 or GIF, and you've got a looping motion poster for reels, shorts, or digital displays, designed in minutes. Want more quick design ideas? Check out the Design in Minutes playlist for more Firefly and Canva tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe.